Okay, in this next exercise, we're going to examine color and its relationship to other colors or hues. And we're going to use the example of balloons to do that. I'd like you to use the circle drawing tool from Shapes, and we'll draw 8 ovals in a row, overlapping some, about that size. So we'll start with that one. Now remember from our last exercise of circles and squares that to make a circle that overlaps this way, I need to click right above the edge of where I want to start at the height I want to be, so this circle will be similar to the other. Now in Paint, this version of Paint, before I click away and paste it or flatten it together, I can move it, and I did. Let's continue that with some more circles so we get 8 across. And 8. Okay, so I have my 8 balloons, and I think I want to add one more that will eclipse or cover these balloons, and maybe one more that'll cover these balloons. Yeah, that ought to do it. We'll try that anyway. Okay, so next thing, we'll add a little bit to the bottom just to make it look pretty. Some ovals. This was where the balloon is tied. My elementary kids love this. And we'll add some strings, and then we'll put some color inside. And when we put the color inside, we're going to pretend as though our color is transparent. So line drawing tool, I think the holder's hand is going to be right about here. So I'll just draw lines that all come here from each of the balloons. I'll do that one. Okay, now to the colors. Using the paint bucket, we'll choose primary colors like red and fill the first balloon with red. We'll skip one and fill the next balloon after that with blue. Just the open area, not the overlapped area. And we'll skip one and do another one with blue. The one we skipped, let's go back and make it red. Next color is yellow. And I think we need one more balloon. So we'll add it now. There we are. Better late than not at all. So with our last balloon added, let's go to work. Oh, we'll add a couple more colors. Pink for up here, and yellow for this balloon. Okay, and this one here. So I think we have our primary colors in. Now let's start adding some other colors. So our first puzzle is comparing or pretending that these are translucent balloons. We can see through them. So if we were to look through a yellow balloon at a red balloon, what color would we see? And we would go look for that color and place it here. And that would be orange. Some of these are going to be obvious and some are going to be a challenge. I would like you to finish filling these in as well as you can, and click pause now to let you do that work, and then we'll continue on and we'll check your work. No, I mean click pause. Oh, if you've clicked pause and you filled in the colors, then let's see what we found. So I'm thinking that yellow and pink for up here, because it's supposed to be pink, that should be kind of well, kind of a pinkish or lighter colored of yellow. So I'll use the gold color there, and we're going to use some of the primary things first. We're going to go across the bottom row before we do the rest of the top. So what would be the combination of yellow and blue? Well, hopefully you went right to green, because that is true. Blue and red should be purple. And of course red and blue is purple. I didn't set this color yet. We'll do it now. That's going to be green. And if we have blue and green, we should have something like a blue-green. That's not blue-green. Let's go find it. If I click on Edit Colors, I should be able to find something in here that's blue-green and